Mrs. N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. National level workshop organized by NILKANTHRAO Science and Arts College, Maharashtra. Workshop on IPR awareness. Dates 14th January 2022. Cisco WebEx and YouTube platform. Time at 2 p.m. Invited all the faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided after feedback. No registration fee. Registration, WhatsApp and Telegram link in description. Subscribe my channel. Ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share and comment. Thank you.